So guys, here's some cool stuff that you can do with Streamlabs. So you can have an hours command where it shows people how many hours you actually have on the stream. You can do top hours, so top 10 hours, and it will actually calculate how many hours each person is doing on the stream. So you can see we're on Rocky's video right now. If you want to go follow Rocky, then go and hit him up with that subscribe. He's doing amazing. He's on 2.44k subscribers, so he's killing it. But you can also have a lot of cool commands as well, and it's just a really useful feature to use on your streams. So look, we've got a command that Rocky's put in, want to join, and he's put his PSN in there, so it does streamline your streaming and really helps you out. Rocky also has stream elements. If you want to show you how to do stream elements, I can do that too. But we're going to be doing an in-depth guide, so you can have little messages, you can have hours, it calculates your hours, you can do a lot of cool stuff, guys. So that's why we're making this video, and this is probably going to be used for my brother just to edit into the clip when I'm talking about it. But yeah, I thought I'd show you guys this first. So if you guys want to add Streamlabs, I've got this like question so many times, like how do I add Streamlabs to my streams? Well, I'm going to show you guys today. Just log in automatically, but you want to log in, you want to sign up with your email and password, and I'm going to be talking you guys through it. So why am I making this video today, guys? What is this video about? So welcome back everyone, it's Shedwoods here back with another video, and this is part of my streaming video series where I teach you guys how to stream and how to do some cool stuff on streams. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to sign up with Streamlabs on your YouTube account. It has some really cool features. I'm going to show them now on the screen. You can show your top hours, you can have cool little messages, it calculates how many hours you have, you can have custom commands, you can do so many cool things, guys. So Streamlabs is a really useful tool. You can also use different sites like Chatbot and Stream Elements and things like that, but I don't find them as good just because they tend to like ban a lot of people in the chat and things like that, and you know, I just don't find them as good. So I tend to use Streamlabs because it has a lot of cool features. The main thing I'm going to be telling you guys today is how to connect it up to your YouTube account. If you want a more in-depth guide of how to use all these alert boxes and things like that, and widgets and all these other cool things, then I can help you guys with that. We're going to be looking at the chatbot as well. But first thing you want to do is sign in. Yeah, first thing you want to do, guys, is sign in to Streamlabs. So you want to sign up for it if you're not signed up for it already. And then what you want to do is you want to go to Cloudbot, I believe, and then what you need to do is you need to mod Streamlabs in your YouTube studio. So I think this is the part that people struggle with, so I'm going to teach you guys how to do this. So what you want to do is you want to copy this URL right there. You want to copy that, and then you want to go to your YouTube, and then go to your YouTube studio. So I normally just click customize videos, and then it comes up. And then what you need to do, as you can see, I've got a lot of moderators. These are all the moderators on the channel, so shout out to all you guys. There's freaking hundreds of them. This is why I'm trying not to make as many moderators lately. And then you want to go on approved users, and you just want to copy and paste that into there, and then click enter, and then it should go in as Streamlabs. It probably won't do it because I already have it enabled, but I'm going to delete it and show you guys. So there you go, it'll come up there. You want to click that, and then Streamlabs will be on your channel. And then once you've got it, guys, again, you can do a lot of cool stuff. That should be enabled now, so Streamlabs should come to your streams every time. It should be calculating the views, it should be doing all that cool stuff. And then what you can do is you can add your own commands. So in my chat, if I do !Twitch, so you set this up, you just add a command, right? I'm going to teach you guys how to do this because I want to make this video a bit longer, give you guys a bit more information. So you might say Twitch, so you do !Twitch. So anytime anyone does that in your chat, this Streamlabs will pop up with this response. So whatever your Twitch is, so you could put Twitch, twitch.tv/Shedwoods, and every time someone puts !Twitch in your chat, that will pop up. So you can put anything you want in here. I've got some crazy ones. I've got some like Panda, and I've got like random commands for other people in the chat, like Ravy. He's got some frogs. You can do some cool stuff with it. So this is how many hours and points people have. So this is really cool. So you can do this both on Twitch and YouTube, guys, by the way. You can do giveaways, you can have user management. You can do so many different cool things. You can have mini games enabled, so if someone does a heist, they can heist for points. That's another good thing, guys. You can earn points with this. So the people in your chat will have something to work towards, so they might want to get 10,000 points. You might use those points for giveaways or other cool stuff. You can do whatever you want with it. But yeah, there's some really cool, interesting stuff. I'm going to go into this more in other videos, like how you use these different things. But I just thought I'd give you guys a little rundown of the stuff you can do. But yeah, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. As I said, this is part of my streaming series. So I recently did one where I showed you guys how to stream on a PS4. I know a lot of you guys use the PS4 to stream, so that's really useful. Let me know what other videos you want next. I think I'm going to teach you guys how to use OBS, how to add GIFs into your streams. We can show you guys how to use Nightbot and things like that. If you guys prefer Nightbot, we can do all that kinds of stuff. We also stream on the channel, guys. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so don't forget to like and sub if you wouldn't mind, and tell your friends. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Everyone have an awesome day or night, wherever you're from, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace out.